Well, I think that it's very important that everybody knows that students with disabilities oftentimes learn differently than students who do not experience those disabilities. And one of the ways is that the modalities may be affected differently in students with disabilities. So when we look at things like recording lectures, this may be the only way that students can actually understand the material and be successful with the material. So this is a critical accommodation that students should have if they in fact need this accommodation. Now, sometimes people in faculty ranks will say things like, well, you know, I don't want my intellectual property being disseminated. This could go on the World Wide Web. It could provide an unreasonable advantage for other faculty members and so forth, kind of stealing my thunder. But the democratic process, the democratic society, outweighs this intellectual property consideration. The idea that lectures are somehow sacrosanct and should never get outside the walls of a classroom, is an idea that is rapidly being eroded by the technology that we have. Students do record lectures. Students do things like broadcast and disseminate. Students are used to this kind of way of looking at things, and to them it's just normal to look at recording and broadcasting and YouTubes and Facebooks and all those kind of things. And so this is the new norm, and to resist it is something that will leave you in the past. And as a faculty member myself, I don't want to be left in the past. I want to be on the cutting edge. So as faculty members, please look favorably when somebody says, may I record your lectures as part of my accommodation? Because this is allowing students to be successful, which is the whole purpose of what we do here at the University of West Georgia.